How to change color in Canva. In this video, I will tell you how you can change the color of any object in Canva. The link is in the description. You can change the color of many objects in Canva. Background color, font color, color of various objects and images. In the first change, I want to change the color of the entire text. For this, press Ctrl and A key on the keyboard to select all the text, like this. Now that all the text is selected, click on this option in the upper bar. There are different color palettes here. Click on any color here to change the color of your text. Now, if you want to adjust the color by yourself and make it lighter or more colorful, or enter the color code, you can easily do this from this section. Now, you may want to change the color of only one word in a long text. To do this, select that one word and again select the color you want from the color section to change the color of that word. As you can see, I have done this now. You can do this for any word in a text. This is very easy. The next thing is to change the background color. You can use different photos for the background, or color the existing background. If you want to do this, click on the empty part of the background. Then click again on this color option in the top bar. Now, you have two different sections for the background color here: solid color and gradient. If you click on any of these, your background will change to the same color. And if you want, you can change the gradient colors from the top part, or add another color to it from this part, and change it to what you want. In this section, you can also change the type of gradient. As you can see, I make some of these changes here so that you can see in full what changes you can make. Of course, working with Canva is generally easy and attractive. The next color change is related to various objects and images in Canva. I added some objects from this part, and now I want to change their color. To change any of the objects, click on them and select the color option from the top bar. You can do the same things you did to change the color of text and background on objects. I upload a lot of tutorials about AI tool in this channel. If this video was useful for you, please like it. Thank you guys.